show earlier on? Man, I waxed that fool. That's exactly what you gotta do tonight against Brock. It ain't about a match tonight, Train. It's about hurting Brock. Brock disrespecting everybody, man. He's disrespecting himself. What we gonna do about that, man? I'll show you what we gonna do about that. What you gonna do tonight is take that boy out, Kate. Reason I brought you here is to show you something. I'm so excited I'm knocking the VCR over. I want you to see what happened the last time you and Brock got in the ring. Peep this, though. Peep this. That ain't an F5. That's a nosedive, Train. He tried to take you out. Try to ruin your career. Try to make you retire early. What you think about that, dog?
Oh, my God, man. How is A-Train even walking? After that violent F5.
What you think about Brock now disrespecting you, dog?
Do you know how that felt? Do you know how that felt? He almost killed me. I took Brock Lesnar's best. And tonight, he'll feel my pain.
Wow. Well, I think Cena accomplished what Cena wanted to do, and that was fire up the A-Train.
And what it speaks for itself. It's the A-Train and Brock Lesnar later tonight.
That footage we've never seen before, man. Heavy stuff.